guys. Everyone ready to carve some pumpkins? Okay, well, just pick your pumpkin and then we can start carving. If anyone needs any help, Susan is here.
Man, check this one out.
Jenny, ugh, cool. Ew, not.
I heard that a long time ago in McKinney, there was this bad patch of pumpkins, and one of them turned into a monster, and it ate all the kids that were carving on it.
Cool.
Yeah, all you need is human blood to start everything. Blood on just the right hunted pumpkin, and bam, you're all dead. I think the pumpkins supposedly came from a farm called Graven's Farm or Craven's Farm. Something like that. So be careful what pumpkins you guys carve on. Okay. Just saying.
Yeah. Nice.
Sure enough, the storm's rolling in.
Great.
No.
Ow! Jenny, be careful!
Sure, Susan.
Say sorry.
It was just an accident.
I'm sorry, Sarah.
Snack break. Now let's go get you patched up.
I really am sorry. Don't know what happened. The knife just slipped somehow.
Be careful. It could have been worse. It's okay. Are you sure you're okay?
Yeah.
What's wrong?
What?
Oh my god!
Finish it, Sarah! That's all it took?
Yep. Smashing pumpkins.